Everyone, so in this will be showing you how to fix the sound problem in the new FragPunk game. So if you're facing any type of sound problem in the game, this will be showing you how to fix it. So the first thing you need to do to fix this type of issue is simply click on the window icon, go to setting. Here in the setting, go to system and select the sound. Scroll all the way to the bottom. Here you will be able to see this option, app volume and device preferences. Open it. So here you can see the FragPunk. So it will by default but it's set to default. But if you are facing any type of issue, click on the arrow icon here, select the input device, and then press on the next icon and select the output device. Once you select this, then check back, the issue will be fixed. But if you still face the issue, then go to FragPunk. Here you need to go to setting, select audio from the top menu, and make sure that everything here is set to default. And if anything is master volume or anything is raised to zero, you need to make sure that it's not raised to zero or set to zero. So this is how we'll be able to change the sound problem or fix the sound problem in the new FragPunk game. I hope this video helped you. Subscribe to the channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.